Hello drivers, so today I have a 2006 Mitsubishi Outlander here with me and I'm going to show you how to replace a starter. First I'm going to start up the vehicle to see if it starts up with the whole starter, just to give you an idea how it sounds. Okay, so that's the long start it have when you start it up. So now I'm going to replace the new starter and see the difference. So when you get that long start, and usually an 06, maybe 04 Mitsubishi Outlander, usually that's a starter issue. So first you got to remove the the overhead muffler. So you got to move these two bolts first. It's pretty easy. Then we're looking right here, right below the exhaust. This is the starter. You got to move this shield. You got like 10 screws for it. You need 10 millimeter. It's got four corners. One of each corner is 4. So I'm gonna remove this, and then the starter should be there. Before you move the starter, always remember, remove the negative side of the battery, because you don't want to get shocked. So after you move the screws, you just we're gonna move this, take this out of the way. Now you're looking at the starter down here. So first we're gonna move the wiring. The wiring is right here. Move these two wiring. This is like, I think this is a 12 millimeter, and you move this from the solenoid. This is the switch. So you got to move this switch and move this battery terminal. This is going straight to the battery, and then you should be able to remove the starter. But before we remove the starter, we got two main bolts here. We got to remove those. You can see it. Yeah, right there. One on the top, one on the corner. We're going to remove those, and then we'll be able to pull the starter out. But before, we got to move these two wire in. So after we remove our covering, the shield for the starter, and now we're going to remove the starter. Alright. So what happened is, basically right now, when I started with that long start, sometimes it starts, sometimes it don't. This teeth right here, not jumping out all the way on the flywheel. So you would have less power to start the engine. So this is not jumping out like that, you know. So I'm just gonna replace a new starter, or just put a new starter in. So basically what we're looking at right now is the new starter. So this should be start right up. That's a new starter. So I'm just gonna put it just as I take out the whole one, and that should be it. So as you can see, I will just replace the new starter. All you gotta do, make sure you connect back your wires, your main battery terminal, and your switch and the solenoid. Okay. You make sure everything is tightened up back, and then you connect back your negative side of the battery. Make sure you connect back your negative side of your battery, and then you should have started up and everything should be fine. So after you done that, they connect the battery. Make sure the starter connect, just give it a start. and that's it, and it should be good. All right, so hopefully this video helps. If you're interested, just hit the bell for notification. All right, thank you.